Hello, I'm Abdurrahman Sadiq. I'm a 43-MET student in the GUC. In this short video, I'll be showing a demo for my bachelor project, which is titled by Blockchain-based Immunization Registrar. This project was under the supervision of Dr. Wael Abu Sadat. So in this demo, I'll be showing two running screens. The first one is the mobile screen. The second one is the laptop screen. The mobile screen will be showing what does the user see in terms of graphical user interface. The second screen will be showing Ganache application running on it. Ganache is a personal blockchain providing some accounts used for testing. In this demo, I'll be using the first account ending with 2323 with a balance of 100 Ether. As shown on the screen of the laptop, no transactions occurred up till now using this account. So let's start the demo. At first, the admin should enter the username and password, his own username and password. At first, the password will be typed incorrectly. The application will give a feedback of incorrect password, returning back to entering the credentials again. This time will be entered correctly. As shown on Ganache, the account used is not debited by Ether up till now. No blocks deployed, no transactions happened. After logging in, 4 transactions will happen. Those 4 transactions are for initial migrations of all contracts. The second one is deploying the Ministry of Foreign Affairs contract. Third one is deploying the Ministry of Health. Third last one is deploying the center's contract. Now the user is entering, trying to request an addition of his country, entering the name of the country, public and private keys. This addition may take few moments. After the addition is done, we'll see on the Ganache screen a new transaction occurred and happened. Application now is requesting the country's addition. Now the country is added successfully, showing the transaction here on Ganache ending with the hash of E53. This is the details of this transaction with the gas used for this transaction, and the transaction, by the way, is mined in block number 5. Now the user is trying to remove the same country, entering the same parameters, the country's name, public and private keys. Then the admin will request the withdrawal of the country. The admin of Ministry of Foreign Affairs can view all the countries in the list of approved countries. Now it will also take a few moments requesting the withdrawal. And the same aspect will happen after the withdrawal is successfully happened. Transaction will be shown on Ganache. Yes, the transaction of the withdrawal is ending with 6D9. This is the details of this transaction with the gas used, and this transaction is mined in block number 6. Those are the blocks deployed in this for all transaction used, and all the transactions occurred in this demo. So we could see that the first account is debited by 6 transactions. Those 6 transactions are for deploying the 3 smart contracts, the initial migration, and finally the 2 functions, adding and removing the country. The account is debited by amount of Ether. This amount of Ether is the total amount of gas used during these 6 transactions.